Hey guys, iDeviceHelp here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have another must-download application that I would like to share with you guys. And just like I try to do every single week here on the channel, you guys already know I try to share an app from the App Store that I think is worth a download, and this week will be no different. But if there's any apps you would like for me to try, any recommendations or suggestions that you may have, you can leave those in the comments down below, and maybe I'll feature the app that you recommend on the next episode. And now it's only been 7 days since the year started, and I already have one of my favorite apps so far this year. Yes, it's only been 7 days, but this one is super cool. I think you guys are going to really love it. So without further ado, as always, if you would like to stay up to date with the latest iOS news and Apple software updates, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on those notifications so that you don't miss another episode. And now you know that we have the picture-in-picture for YouTube, right? So for video, let's play a video here on YouTube, and if I go to the home screen, we have the picture-in-picture for video. Now this next app that I wanted to share with you guys brings this same concept for music, and it works for music on Apple Music and or Spotify. There is the app right there, FloatingPlayer. Now this application will be linked in the description and down below. It is $1, but the developer has given me 25 promo codes to download it for free. So if you follow me and the developer from the links in the description over on Twitter, make sure you tweet at me, the Floating Player, and I'll give you a promo code. Keep in mind I only have 25, so the faster you go on Twitter and follow me and the developer and tweet at me, Floating Player, I'll be able to give you a code. Great ratings, 5 stars directly in the App Store. So this application, as I mentioned, will allow you to have the picture-in-picture for your Apple Music or your Spotify for the music on your iPhone. A really clean user interface here. We have the settings gear up at the top here. It shows you the version, the Apple Music service that's connected, email, and all that good stuff for support. You also have 3 options here. So show player, controls, skip track, and you also have show album art, and that's it. Just click play, and of course I can't really play the audio for obvious reasons, but there it is. Apple Music is playing, or I can play Apple Music here, and as you can see right there, I have the go forward and backwards track right here buttons directly on the home screen of my iPhone. I can play and pause, skip a track, and all that good stuff. And this is what's playing inside of my Apple Music, by the way. There it is. So just the same concept of video or picture-in-picture for your iPhone, but now available for music. This is a great idea in my opinion. You can hide it over to the side as well if you're going to continue just browsing through the OS, and when you're ready to switch the track, just bring it into frame, skip the track. I think it's well worth $1. Again, I only have 25 promo codes, but I think it's worth $1 as it is right now in the App Store. Go ahead and check it out. It is FloatingPlayer picture-in-picture for your music. Thank you for watching this quick must download episode, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.